stop throwing away old furniture. Use them to make the perfect garden trellis.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
This is a chair, as you can see. I've made several trellises using chairs like these that fell apart, and instead of put them on the garbage truck, I just use them in the garden. Alright, so I'm not actually going to pull this chair apart because this one is quite okay, a-okay. But the others that I have, that you're looking at, they actually were loosening up and stuff like that. So that's how I came by using those ones. Alright, so what I did, looking at this one right here, what I did was to remove this wedge. By the time it starts to loosen up, this came off. So that wasn't on there. I'll see if I can insert a picture when this wasn't on and everything else was. So this is a chair. So what I did was to pull it apart. So I removed these and then turn this one that way, turn that one that way. Alright, so this is one that I did before. Now I have this cucumber that I'm running on it, and there is another one over here that I am currently running my Malabar spinach on. Now look at they look so neat and nice. Perfect trellis for your garden. Now I am going to put this one together. I've had it for a while, but now I need to put it together more than ever. I'm gonna run this side. See right there, I already stuck them in the bucket that you're seeing here, but no strings are on there. So I just need to get these strings on that I have right here, because I need to trellis this cucumber right now. They have been waiting on me forever to trellis them. This is the Suyu long cucumber. Alright, so I'm just going to get to it. So these strings came from a door curtain that I had. So if you don't have this, just use some other strings that is available to you that will not cost you, or probably cost you just a little, that is firm enough to hold up the fruits when the plant starts to produce. Alright, so let's get to it. I'm going to do 3. So I'm going to put one right here. And I ensure that it is stiff. Because you want to have it as firm as possible. I think I need to have this like this. So I'm going to get 2 rocks or 2 stones when I'm done, and just tuck them in here so that it can firm up like this. so the last one, so I need to put it up here. Kindly asking you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not yet done so that others can come along, join me on this journey, and allow the YouTube algorithm to put my video out there so others can get some inspiration. Thank you so much in advance, and God bless you all. And yes, every little string matters, so I can join these together for something else. So I'm going to get the rocks for here and come back. Alright, so rocks, just going to stuck it in here, so yeah, firm now, well, firmer. And put this one right here. This is so much better. Woo! Firm and nice. Guys, that's just how we gardeners are. When we're in the garden, we're doing something, but we're doing 5, 6, 7 things at the same time. I couldn't help but notice that I needed to let those go. Alright, so back to this. And just start from the bottom one, and then now I will let it go across, then come this way, then come this way. Yeah, so there's another little one right here. This one not ready to go yet, but I'm just lining it up to get itself ready to go. Yeah, so see how easy, cheap, and tool-free it is. Like, all you saw me with just now is a pair of scissors, right? Yeah. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk.
Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it. I mean, know the word massive love it and them respect it, man. Hear this? A lot of mercy. Help me pick up Jamaica, the land of wood and water. The system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture. Whoa, can't you see the beauty of this country? Me never know a serious thing until me reach a foreign. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. Now with the money in your pocket and a God in your heart. Crowd of people, what more you want? Reggae music, I play a reggae artist a chant. And you saw me born, I'm in a transplant.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down.